In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off microphone on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings. And then just scroll all the way down until you find some app for which you want to turn off microphone. Let's say I want to do that for Facebook app. We can just get into Facebook settings, and that's where we can easily find that microphone feature. All we have to do now in order to turn off microphone is just tap at that switcher. That's how you can easily turn off microphone for each particular app on your iPhone.